Five skeletons went out one night over the graveyard far from sight. A crazy witch was brewing yummy stew. Robot skeleton danced to the groove. Four skeletons went out one night over the mansion far from sight. One got wind and scared him, boom! Robot skeleton danced to the groove. Three skeletons went out one night over the woods and far from sight. A mommy screamed out all night through. Robot skeleton danced to the groove. Two skeletons went out one night over the cave and far from sight. A monster greeted them, how do you do? Robot skeleton danced to the groove. One skeleton went out one night over Teehee Town and far from sight. He sang and laughed and danced again, then said bye to Minnie and Len. Bye-bye! Five skeletons were riding on a bus. One fell off and bumped his head, so the driver called the witch, and the witch then said, "No more skeletons riding on a bus! Riding on a bus! Riding on a bus!" Four skeletons were riding on a. One fell off and broke the wheel, so the driver called the zombie, and the zombie said,
Stop the skeletons from riding on the bus!
Three skeletons were riding on a bus. One fell off and broke the horn, so the driver called the monster, and the monster said,
Stop these skeletons from breaking the bus!
riding on a bus. Riding on a bus. Two skeletons were riding on a bus. One fell off and broke the seat, so the driver called the coast, and the coast then said,
No more riding!
One skeleton was riding on a bus. He fell off and broke the bus, so the driver called the witch, and the witch then said, "Fix the bus! Fix the bus!" skeleton robots, go!
3, 2, 1.
Activate to dance. Red robot, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do? Watch me do the cool dance. Watch me dance, dance.
Green robot, where are you?
How do you do? Let's move now. Move like a robot. Move.
Blue robot, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do? Dance to the beat. Dance to the beat.
Yellow robot, where are you? Pink robot, where are you?
How do you do? Dance to the robot dance. Dance to the robot dance.
Skeleton robots, color robots, where are you?
Here we are.
Let's dance and groove.
How do you do? Dance, groove, dance, groove, dance. It's time to reboot. Five funny skeletons jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So Zombie called the witch, and then she said,
Stop the funny skeletons from jumping on the bed.
Four funny skeletons dancing on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So the zombie called the witch, and then she said,
Stop the funny skeletons from dancing on the bed.
Three funny skeletons hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So the zombie called the witch, and then she said,
Stop the funny skeletons from hopping on the bed.
two funny skeletons sliding on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So the zombie called the witch, and then she said,
Stop the funny skeletons from sliding on the bed.
one funny skeleton sleeping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. So the zombie called the witch, and then she said,
Put the funny skeletons back on the bed.
Row, row, row your
row your boat, frightened down the stream. Scared, shaking, worried, afraid, you probably want to scream. Row your boat, frightened down the river. All the creepy zombies around will make you shake and shiver. Row your boat, row your boat, frightened in the ocean. Scared, shaking, worried, afraid, watch out for the skeletons. Row your boat, row your boat, frightened in the pond. The witch casts a nasty spell, holding a shiny wand.
Hi, I'm Len.
I'm Minnie.
Are you ready, kids?
Let's go to Teehee Town.